Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. I have these zucchinis that I was going to cook and I wanted to try something different. So I saw this recipe that you air fry these zucchinis. They come out really good, so I was gonna give it a try, see how they come out. So I have pork rinds that I grinded, some Greek yogurt, an egg, Parmesan, salt and pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and the zucchinis. Well, let's try this recipe. First, we're going to slice the zucchinis into fry-shaped pieces and about a 1/4 inch thick, so give or take. I got my beaten egg and I mixed all the Parmesan cheese, the garlic powder, paprika, salt and pepper, and mixed it well. And now I'm going to dip the zucchini fry into the beaten egg, and then I'm going to dip it into my mixture here, and I'm going to set it on this plate until I get them all processed, and then it's going into the air fryer. I have my Ninja air fryer here and I'm going to preheat it 390, and I'm going to grease the basket, and then I'm going to single layer the zucchini fries and I'm going to cook them for about 12 or 15 minutes. And halfway through I'm going to have a look at it, turn them or shake the basket and go from there. It took about 14 minutes for me, and let's have a look what it looks like. Here we have zucchini fries. They look really good, and I made a dipping sauce for them. Basically the Greek yogurt. I added some minced garlic and a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, mixed it up, and it's going to be a little tangy, just perfect for these zucchini fries, and they look really good. Well, I hope you liked this video. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.